I'm Alessia Paccagnini, and I'm Associate Professor of Banking and Finance at University College Dublin Smurfit Business School, where I'm also Academic Director of Master in Quantitative Finance, and I'm teaching financial econometrics to our students enrolled in programs in finance. We have around 250 students, a very large cohort of students with different background. There are some students coming from engineer background, some students with law and commerce background. And I always notice that the students could struggle when I ask them to work on data, to test our models, for example, by using coding, such as Python. And I notice students always are struggling and very skeptical about this coding component in my course. So for this reason that I start to make a student more confident and I let them to use artificial intelligence to help themselves to understand how to code in a better way and also to debug the code. So what I do during these courses is to organize some specific and ad hoc tutorials thanks to my teaching assistant, and we are able to make a student more confident in using artificial intelligence. There are three main AI-related skills our students in finance will acquire thanks to our courses. First of all, technical skills, in the sense that AI is helpful for our students to learn how to do an appropriate coding work. And I think that in such a way, all students without zero experience in coding can improve very quickly. And I think that at this point is a great progress if we compare last course with some years ago course. I think that in the future, students also will have the opportunity to improve even more their knowledge in terms of coding and different languages. And also in the future, students should be able not only to write appropriate prompts, so the second point is the AI literacy. And we need to work to help students to learn how to create agents to make their life easier with some aspect, but also not to replace them, just always to consider the fact that the AI is just a tool. And last but not least, in particular, considering this last year design in my course for the assessment, students are able to create something new, an app, a dashboard. I mean, you are enrolled in Master in Finance, and also you are able to create an app, a dashboard. I mean, it will be fantastic for your CV, will be great also for your future job market. And I think that job market is looking for students who are able to be very innovative and creative. And I always think that artificial intelligence is just a tool, is not a replacement. And as educators, we need to raise the bar. We know the rules now. Our students can use artificial intelligence. They can make a good replication with a code. They can do a good assignment in terms of grammars. But what we need to consider is that the student can be more creative, they develop a better critical thinking, and they know that there will be new competencies and new skills for their future job market.